Hi there. In Washington, D.C., people do many things in the evening. They go listen to music. They eat at a restaurant. They go to the theater. Tonight, I am going to the theater with my friends. But I don't know what clothes to wear. Maybe this magazine can help. Her clothes are beautiful. I really want a friend like her to help me. Who are you?
I am Jeannie. You want help? I am here to help you find the right clothes.
Awesome! How about jeans and a t-shirt?
No! Jeans and a t-shirt are too casual. How about something more formal?
Sure! Wow, Jeannie, this dress is beautiful, but it's not the right size. It's too small.
Yes, it is too small, but green looks great on you.
Thanks.
Take off the green dress. Let's try a green shirt and a skirt.
Oh, Jeannie, this green shirt is too large. And this orange skirt is too orange.
Yes, the right size for you is medium. Let's try again.
Oh, I don't like this outfit.
No, that does not match.
Nothing. These clothes are formal. A suit jacket, a dress shirt, and a tie. They look great.
Those clothes look great. For a man, something is wrong.
Let me see. There, now try.
Oh, thanks. Now these clothes look great on you.
They do. Jeannie, can you put on a gold belt?
Sure.
That looks great. Can you put on a jacket?
Why not?
I love the jacket. How about a hat?
Why not? Take off the hat. That's better.
Jeannie, these clothes look and feel great. Let's go to the theater.
Sorry, Anna. I have to help other friends. Go to the magazine if you want me to help again.
Thanks, Jeannie. Sure thing. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
There are many places in DC to go for a great evening out. And it's nice to have a friend to help me look my best. Until next time, bye! Hello! People from all over the world come to Washington, D.C. When I'm at work, I love eating lunch outside. I like to watch people walking by. They all look very different. Today, my friend Ashley is eating lunch with me. Ashley, today the weather is beautiful, isn't it?
Yes, it is. Ooh, we have to return to work.
No, we have time. Let's people watch a little more.
Okay.
Oh, I know her. She works in my office. Kiana, hi. Come and join us.
Hi, Anna. How are you?
I'm doing great. Kiana, this is my friend Ashley.
Hi, Ashley.
We need to return to work, but the weather is beautiful and people watching is fun.
I love people watching too.
Well, have a seat. It is fun to see how people are different or the same.
It is. For example, Anna, you are tall. but Ashley and I are short.
And Kiana, you and Ashley have brown eyes. I have blue eyes.
You two have black skin and I have dark skin.
Ashley, you have straight hair. Kiana and I have curly hair.
You have very curly hair, Anna.
I need to return to work. See you, Anna. Nice to meet you, Ashley.
Bye, Kiana. Anna, I have to go too. Are you returning to work?
I still have time. And the sun feels so good.
Anna, what does your boss look like?
She is short. She has straight, light hair.
Does she wear glasses?
Yes, yes she does.
Is she wearing a blue sweater today?
How do you know that?
She's coming this way.
Oh no, hide me!
Bye, Anna. Call me later.
Bye, Ashley. Talk to you later.
Anna, is that you?
Ms. Weaver, hi.
What are you doing behind that bench?
I am looking for my stick. Here it is. I am people watching. Oh, but it's time to return to work.
No need to hurry. I love people watching too. Let's sit.
Sure.
It's a beautiful day, isn't it?
Yes, yes it is, Miss Weaver. People watching in DC is fun. It makes me forget the time. Until next time. Hello. Washington, D.C. has many tourists. People from different countries come here. Today, my job is to interview tourists. I have to learn why they come here. This is very exciting. Excuse me, I'm Anna Mateo from the news. Do you have time for an interview?
Sure, I have time.
What is your name?
My name is Sabrina.
What country are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
So you are Bangladeshi.
That's right. My nationality is Bangladeshi.
Do you like Washington, D.C.?
Yes, the city is very beautiful.
What do you like to do in Washington, D.C.?
I like history. So I like walking around and looking at all the monuments and memorials. They make history come alive.
Washington has many monuments and memorials. The Washington Monument is behind us. Which is your favorite?
I really like Lincoln Memorial. It is very beautiful and it feels like Abraham Lincoln is still alive.
Awesome. Thank you for your time, Sabrina.
You're welcome.
Let's find another tourist. Oh, excuse me. I am Anna Mateo from the news. Do you have time for a couple of questions?
Sure.
Are you from Washington, D.C.?
No, I'm not.
What is your name and where are you from?
My name is Louis, and I'm from China.
What languages do you speak?
I speak Chinese and English.
What do you like about Washington, D.C.?
I like the museums. I really like the art museums.
Many of the museums are free.
I like that too.
Awesome. Thanks for your time, Louis.
You're very welcome. Bye.
Now, let's find another tourist. Hello, I am Anna Mateo from the news. Do you have time to answer a couple of questions?
Sure.
What is your name and where are you from?
My name is Żērnووس. I am from Iran. I'm Iranian.
What language do they speak in Iran? Is it Persian?
They speak Farsi.
What do you like to do in Washington, D.C.?
Well, I like learning about government and politics.
Washington has many politicians.
It does. I want to see the U.S. Capitol.
Look, you are very near.
I am.
Have fun.
Thanks.
There you have it. Tourists from all over the world come to Washington, D.C. They all like doing and seeing different things in the city. This is Ana Mateo reporting for the news. Until next time. Is that okay? Awesome. Now I want to do my favorite thing in the city. Ride the carousel! Hello from Washington, D.C. Today at work, I am reading the news for the first time. I am really nervous, but my boss, Ms. Weaver, is here to help me.
Now, Anna, remember, when we read the news, we are always reading facts. We never show our feelings.
Sure thing, Ms. Weaver.
Great. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Let's try the first story.
Hello, and welcome to the news. A new book is very popular with children and families. This is it. It is about a lost duckling. The duck's mother cannot find him.
Stop. Anna, when you say the words duck and duckling, you look really sad.
I do?
Yes. Sad is a feeling.
Sad is not a fact. Sorry. Let me try again.
Okay, she's trying again. And go.
Hello, and welcome to the news. A new book is very popular with children and families. This is it. It is about a lost duckling. The duck's mother cannot find him, but a family gives him a home.
Stop, Anna. You are doing it again.
This story is very sad.
I have an idea. Let's read the second story. She's reading the second story, and go.
Hello, and welcome to the news. In Indiana, a grandmother is the first 80-year-old woman to win the race car 500. That is awesome.
Stop. Stop. Anna, please. No feelings.
Right, but it is awesome that an 80-year-old grandmother wins a car race.
Just the facts, Anna.
Right. Hello, and welcome to the news. In Indiana, a grandmother is the first 80-year-old woman to win the race car 500. She rarely talks to reporters, but when she does, she often says, "Nothing can stop me now." I am very happy for her.
Stop, stop, stop. Anna, you cannot say you are happy.
But I am happy.
But you can't say it.
Why?
This is the news. Happy and sad are feelings. You can't have them in the news.
Okay, I got it.
Okay, let's try the third story. She's reading the third story.
Hello, and welcome to the news. City politicians in Big Town are using city money to have a big party on a cruise ship. They are taking money for the party from the children's library. What? That makes me very angry.
No. Anna, you cannot say you are angry. This is the news.
What can I do, Ms. Weaver? Take out my feelings and put them here on the news desk?
Yes, that's right. Now you've got it. Let's repeat the first story.
This is going to be a very long day. Until next time, hello and welcome to the news.